Title of the paper: Identification of histone deacetylase 8 inhibitors using pharmacophore-based virtual screening, 3D QSR and docking study. The World Cancer Report 2014 shows that cancer is a leading cause of death globally, and cancer-related death is likely to go up by about 70% in the next 2 decades. In recent years, histone deacetylases are considered as promising target for cancer chemotherapy. 18 mammalian histone deacetylase enzymes have been identified so far. Among them, class 1 HDACs are targeted for cancer chemotherapy. In the present study, our target is to find out potent HDAC8 inhibitors. The level of histone acetylation play a crucial role in chromatin remodeling and in the regulation of gene transcription. The presence of acetylated lysine in histone tails is associated with a more relaxed chromatin state and gene transcription activation, while the deacetylation of lysine residue is associated with a more condensed chromatin state and transcriptional gene silencing. Histone deacetylation increases the ionic interaction between the positively charged histone and negatively charged DNA, which yields a transcriptionally inactive chromatin structure. Therefore, overexpression of HDACs result the suppression of various gene expression, including cancer suppressor gene. Thus, HDACs are among the most promising therapeutic targets for cancer treatment, which inspired our team to find out and develop potent HDAC inhibitors. Active site of HDAC8 HDAC8 PDBID1T64 are shown here. In the present study, a 6-featured pharmacophore model with 2 hydrogen bond acceptors, 2 hydrogen bond donors and 2 aromatic rings was developed. Phase-generated pharmacophore model AADDRR illustrating hydrogen bond acceptor pink, hydrogen bond donor sky and aromatic ring features orange. A predictive 3D QSR model was also generated using pharmacophore models obtained. The model has an excellent correlation coefficient and good predictive ability as shown by the significant statistical parameters. The fitness graph between the observed and phase predicted activity for training and test set compounds are shown here. In summary of 3D QSR results showed that the favorable reason for introduction of hydrogen bond donor, hydrophobic and electron withdrawing group are blue dotted rectangular, green dotted circular and gray circular regions respectively. Virtual screening of phage database containing 4.3 into 10 to the 6 molecules using best pharmacophore AADDRR resulted 366 hits. The resulted hits subjected for extra precision glide docking and 50 hits having XP glide score greater than 10. ADME study of hits was also carried out. The molecular docking study of known inhibitors and their analysis showed that crucial interacting amino acid residues of HDAC8s are tyrosine 306, histidine 142, phenylalanine 152, tyrosine 100, HI 180, phenylalanine 206 and zinc 388. On the basis of fitness score, predicted activity, XP glide score, ADME results and the interacting amino acid residues 10 structurally diverse hits were reported in this paper as potent HDAC8 inhibitors. That's all. Thank you.